Hi everyone, this is Majid again, Digital Curation Specialist at Pierre Resource Library. Today, we had an issue at home. My son really got bored and he wanted to go somewhere else, so we went. Do you want to see how? Okay, be with me. The real chroma key technique, or removing the background color, is usually a post-production effect happening during editing step, but you must prepare the setting for it. Don't worry, it's not difficult and there are so many inexpensive solutions. For example, you can find a green or blue cloth or paper. Even a wall at home with different accent might be helpful. In chroma key, lighting is as important as the color of the screen. You need an even and uniform lighting all over the screen, or at least the part you want to use for photography. If you have lights at home, try those. If not, use daylight in an open area. Beware of the shadow of the object on the screen. Pick the part of the screen that has the most even color and start taking pictures or filming. Some people prefer to change the background during this step. For example, here by using ChromaWiz app, I have to do that. But if you do the chroma key later in the editing process, you have more options and get a better result. During the shooting, use your creativity to make more interesting images. For example, by using a cloth or paper with the same color as the screen, you can hide part of the object or body and make it invisible. For editing, you need an app or software. There are some apps only for chroma key, sometimes free and sometimes as a paid add-on. You see a list of names for iOS and Android platform. Names and features are different, but all of them work almost the same. There are at least 2 layers. You should bring the image or movie you want to use as the background in the first layer and put your image or movie with the green screen background in the second layer. If the software has a crop feature, it's better to use it to make the image smaller. In this way, you will have more uniform green color in the background. Pick the color and use the effect to remove it. If you are interested to know more about the green screen effect techniques, I really encourage you to take this course on lynda.com. This course is very short, only less than 30 minutes, and it's designed for the beginners. Lynda.com is available for free for VPL library card holders. That's wonderful. When you try this tool at home and share with others, please use #VPL at home. We'd love to feature your creations on VPL social media.